Hey everybody, this is Pete again. I'm going to continue my chronicle of videos documenting my journey here with how to make money at home with surveyj.co. I apologize for the video quality. I'm still using my cell phone to make videos and capturing the video off of my computer screen just because I'm not set up yet. But anyway, I'm going to continue here. I've logged into my account and let me show you the date. So today is 6/28/2021. So it's been about 2 days since I've been using the program, and I'm up to $885 now. So in this video today, I wanted to show you how I've done that. Basically, I did take some surveys, but then I also did some social posting. So the program is really good as far as rewarding you for posting on all of these different social media sites. And I of course am doing YouTube, and then I also did a video on TikTok, and you can see the TikTok level is $80. So that's pretty good. They'll pay you $80 to do a TikTok video, $50 for Instagram, and Facebook is $50 for a post, and for a video it's also $50. And this one is for a YouTube video. They'll pay you $50, and if you get a Snapchat reward, it's $100. So that's for Snapchat. Okay, so that's the video for today. Again, I'll leave the link below if you want to sign up and check it out. It's a great program for making money at home. See you on the next one. Bye.